And we're at a car show with some cars. Yeah. I bet you're pretty surprised that the car show has cars. Like, I don't know why. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Look at that one right over there. And I guess it's a competition. Yeah. And the music just died, so I don't have to yell and scream anymore. Woo! Alright. And we're now in a different area of the car show. And different cars, old-fashioned, new. So, it's pretty cool. You know, Golden is still here. Golden Hammer. Hey. Yep. On to the next area. Here, I think, is the last part, although I may be wrong. Does go down there, so might do another video, but these cars are pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Look at that nice car. Look at that.
Anybody
Show you the interior.
and all the announcements that I'm going to be making, you'll have to move your chairs or whatever somewhere to some location where you can hear. I've moved these speakers a half a dozen times today, and that's what I was talking about a few minutes ago. And I just can't be moving these speakers around anymore. I haven't got time for it. And,
really cool. So that wasn't the last part. I said keep on going. And then there's another circle way down there, but you can't see it. Oh no, I dropped my iPad case. Okay. Yeah. This is a pretty cool car show. I'm surprised they're having one in this little town of ours. But, you know, they band together and somehow have these really cool cars. Well, probably no one in our town. Probably in other cities. But still pretty cool that they're having it in this little town's park. So, yep. Sorry about the abrupt ending, guys. My iPad is filled up with storage, even though there's only a little bit of storage on it. But I used to have a lot of storage, so I deleted a bunch of stuff. That might be clogging it up. And so this is the third time I'm trying to do this final part. And I noticed this car in the second. It's a very odd-shaped car. So yeah, I might want to end this early because I don't want to do that again. But that's sad. But hopefully you've seen some epic cars in this car show in our little town. And yeah, and Golden Hammer Gaming is also recording. I'm taking a video of you recording, and he's taking a video of me recording. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye.